Here are 10 powerful ways to become a top level student in 2025 with detailed explanation to help you grow both academically and personally. 1. Master digital tool and AI. Why it matters? Technology is your superpowers. AI tools like ChatGPT, Norton, Grammarly, and Google Workspace can help you rise better, learn faster, and stay organized. Students who know how to use digital tools are more effective and stand out. What to do? Learn to prompt AI effectively. Ask the right question. Use Notion to organize class notes, tasks, and ideas. Try Canva or Figma for school projects and creative presentation. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Why does it matter? A growth mindset means believing that you can improve through effort and learning. This mindset can help you bounce back from failure and keep you motivated. What to do? Instead of saying, I can't do this, you can say, I can't do this yet. Watch people who succeed after failing, like Elon Musk or J. Rowling. Reflect on mistakes as a learning opportunity, not failure. 3. Learn time management skill. Why does it matter? Good students are always smarter. They just manage their time well. When you control your time, you control your life. What to do? Use Google Calendar or apps like Toast to plan your day. Break a big task into small ones. Try Pomodoro techniques, 25 minutes focus, 5-minute break. 4. Take care of your physical and mental health. Why does it matter? A healthy brain needs a healthy body. Lack of sleep, poor diet, or stress will kill your focus and energy. What to do? Sleep 7 to 8 hours tonight. Drink enough water and eat real food, not just junk. Practice mindfulness or deep breathing for 5 minutes. 5. Become a pro at note taking student and techniques. Why does it matter? Smart study methods help you learn faster and remember longer. Passive reading is enough anymore. What to do? Use active recall. Quiz yourself instead of rereading notes. Try spaced repetition with flashcards. Summarize what you have learned in your own words or teach someone else. 6. Build your communication skill and public speaking skill. Why does it matter? No matter what you study, you will need to explain your ideas clearly. Public speaking boosts confidence and help you stand out in school, work, and interview. What's matter? Join a speaking club, debate team, or just practice in front of mirror. Watch TikTok or study how great speakers talk. Record yourself speaking and fix your weak points. 7. A personal learning brand. Why does it matter? In 2025, personal branding is not just for influencers. Showcasing what you have learned online, even on a small scale, can help you connect with like-minded people and open new doors. What to do? Start a blog, TikTok, YouTube where you share tips or explain topic. Post what you have learned on LinkedIn or Instagram story. Create a digital portfolio or your school project. 8. Network with other students and mentors. Why does it matter? Your success is not just about what you know, it is also who you know. Building relationships can help you grow faster and get better opportunity. What to do? Join school clubs or online community like Discord, study server. Ask questions, share resources, and help others. Reach out, uh, Reach out to teacher or professional for advice. 9. Be curious and self-motivated. Why does it matter? The best students go beyond what is taught in class. Curiosity makes learning fun and self-motivation keep you going when things get hard. What to do? Read books or watch videos on topics you like. Take free online courses. Coursera, edX, Khan Academic. Set personal goals, not just school goals. 10. Practice consistencies over perfection. Why it matters? It's better to study 30 minutes every day than 6 hours once a week. Success comes from small actions repeated over time. What to do? Build daily habit. Read 10 page. Review notes for 15 minutes. Focus on showing up, not just being perfect. Track your progress with habit tracker or journal. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video in order to get the new video next time. Thank you.